cash draw. So I hope so una don ready, I hope so una don predict, I hope so una don forecast una numbers correctly, because the machine don set gidigba to do im magic, and I hope so una ready to receive the blessing. Alright, so now we expect 5 lucky numbers. Make una watch the show. Yes, so the balls don drop, so now we expect the first lucky number for inside this afternoon cash draw. Yes, the number 0 dey come, so oh na we get number 32. Number 32 na the first number for inside the same cash draw. The second one to run land, we get number 42. So we expect the third number, so that third number don show, we get number 53. 2 more numbers to go. Yes, so another one don land, we get number 89. So na the last number that we expect. So yes, don land, and I think 24. Yes, I think from the last number wey we get for inside this afternoon cash draw. Alright, the machine don calm down. Our cameraman go zoom the numbers. So now I will call the numbers correctly. Make una lis ten attentively. Alright, the first number wey we get na number 32. The second one na number 42. We get number 53. We get number 89. And the last number na single 4. Yes, congratulations to all of una wey dey watch. I know say the winners don dey happy, dey dance, dey jollificate for inside this afternoon draw. Alright, and also those of una wey participate, congratulations to all of una, because e no easy. Okay, for inside Naija Lottery, our draw never finish without the machine numbers. So now we wan enter the machine number. So now we dey expect the first number from inside the machine. So let's go to the number we wait for. Oh, we get number 55. That's the first number from the machine. Let's check the second number. So we get number 86. The third number that we expect. So number 54 don land. So 2 more numbers to go. Yes, so the first number is to number 45. The last number from the machine that we expect. So we get number 82. Yes, number 82 na the last number from the machine this afternoon. Okay, our machine don calm down. I wan call the numbers again, make una lis ten. The first number we get na number 55. We get number 86. We get number 54. We get number 45. And we get number 82. Yes, congratulations again, no once more. Na like so we dey do am for inside Naija Lottery. Congratulations to all the winners for inside this afternoon cash draw, and also those of una wey participate for the game. Congratulations to una. Yes, we no dey forget those people wey no win. We encourage una more that they play the go, because if you don't win today, it fit be your turn tomorrow. Okay.